Festival is one of those things that I think every alum should come to if they can. First and foremost, it's a university degree over a weekend. You get a chance to do everything from engaging with amazing lecturers on topics as diverse as AI or political theory, through to amazing cultural events. You can even sing if you want to in a choir. And of course, it's a chance to reconnect with friends that you may not have seen for a while. Staggering numbers are now coming back for the festival, which is really great to see. And then finally, it is an absolutely brilliant chance just to soak up what Cambridge is all about.
Say to someone that wants to attend next year that they should sign up for all the activities that excite them, and also ones that make them curious, that make them think, oh, I'd really love to learn more about that, or this will challenge the way I've thought about things previously, because I think that's the whole purpose of weekends like this, is to kind of broaden our horizons and make us think in new ways that we haven't before.
Well, I just think it's a way of reconnecting with the university. It's just such an enjoyable thing when you run your eye down the list of all the talks and everything, full of fascinating stuff from archaeology to stargazing, you know, I mean, it doesn't get better than that.
I hope the attendees of tonight's stargazing will take away a little bit of Cambridge history that maybe they didn't know before. A little bit of the excitement of discovery. I'm going to be talking about the Big Bang and the expanding universe and how that intersects with Cambridge history. And also, because it looks like it's going to be nice and clear, maybe a bit of the beauty and wonder of the night sky, and maybe hopefully they'll see something through a telescope which they've never seen before.
It's about the people that you know, the connections that you make, just, you know, building the capacity for greater curiosity and an ability, I suppose, to connect with people on a different level.
I'm going to tell you a bit about emergence, which is one of the most profound, fascinating quantum properties that underpins the universe.
We have such a wide range of opportunities of scholars and researchers, so we can talk about neuroscience or art or politics, and one can select among a wide array of opportunities to listen to speakers in their fields. So I just love the mixture of things.
Should really try to make it to the next festival. It's a fantastic opportunity to meet old friends, to make new friends, and actually just celebrate what a wonderful place this is. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn what's going on now from the people doing the cutting edge work.